Hi, Ross Turner from Amber Technology at the Pro Audio Showcase, and we've got here our NTi audio testing equipment, so we can check noise levels, we can generate tones, we can check for speech intelligibility. For instance, if you want to check to see if emergency announcements can be intelligible in in any sort of building situation, we can test for that.
How does speech intelligibility get defined, and what sort of around the measuring of that, and what's the difference from that as opposed to just pure decibels rating?
So basically, for instance, if you have a room like a train station or even a town hall or whatever, if the reverberation levels are too high, it doesn't matter what the decibels are, it's intelligible. You can't hear what the announcement's saying. And that affects performance spaces as well, theatres, you name it. So you really need to know where you are in regards to intelligibility. But these systems work right across the board, so you can use it front of house in a PA situation, both to check levels and to see if you're going over. For instance, if you've got a council situation where you have to keep to certain levels, there's even something called a stack light, which can even give you a warning of when you're about to go over levels and breach council rules or whatever. So everything from analysing a room to noise levels to speech intelligibility. There's many firmware options, so you can go into whatever level you want to go to. Room acoustics, you can even check the insulation between the walls. So for instance, if you're building a building and you need sound separation between one room and the other, and you need to prove that, this equipment can do that as well.
And what's the price of one of these?
You'll have to come and talk to us about that.
But let's just say it's really expensive.
Well, this is professional equipment. So you'd probably starting from a basic system for say $3,000, something like that.
So it starts at 3,000. So you've got a few different versions. Do they vary by hardware or just by firmware that is loaded on it?
So it comes with the basic firmware, which lets you do certain functions, and then as you need it, you add the extra firmware, and that'll take you up to different levels of what you can do with it.
So that's pretty good. So you can buy what you afford, and if you have a special need, you can then buy the firmware just for that particular job you need.
Absolutely. And some of the firmware is license-based, so you can use it for a period of time, and some of it's permanent installed as well. So you have some choices there depending on what it is.
It's handy if you just got a one-off job. Cole, thanks very much for sharing that with me.
You're welcome. Thank you.